Hi, so we're going to talk about the DILR, this middle section, that is the second section of the open mock. In my judgment, this is actually a bit difficult paper. Probably one set was easy, one set was moderate, but the other two sets were a bit difficult to crack. So a good student who's prepared well for DI should be able to attempt around 8 questions. If you have attempted anything above 8 or equal to 8, you have done a great job at this. So I expect the cutoff, if a paper comes like this, the cutoff is expected to be on a lower side. So don't worry if you're used to attempting 11, 12 questions, you could attempt only 7 or 8 this time. Don't worry, that is the paper nature. Right? So let's go ahead and see what happened in this particular paper. What is the first set all about? So we have a 4-question set in the beginning. So this is about 5 students writing doing some projects. They get money for every project that is done. If you are finish it first, you will get the first prize, second prize, third prize, and there is a cash component involved. So if you are first, you will be getting 1 lakh, which is 100,000. Second, you'll be getting 80,000. Third, you'll get 60. Fourth, you'll get 40. And fifth, you'll get 20. Apart from that, you will have a 60 days limit to prepare to finish every project, and the number of days you saved, you'll be getting that many thousand. For example, if you finished first and you finish the project in 30 days, so the remaining 30 days, you'll get paid 30k. Because total 60 days were given to you, you completed within 30 days. So the saving for you is 30 days. 60 minus 30 is 30. So you'll get paid 30. So if somebody finished second in a project, they'll get 80,000. But if they finished in 42 days, which means you saved 18 days. So you'll be getting paid 80 plus 18. So that is the logic with which the question has been created. And we have a table given to us. So this is the table given to us of the project. Some part of the information is missing. So let's try to fill this table. Right? Now the information given to us is Tej won a cash prize of 3.87 lakhs. Prayas won a cash prize of 3.68 lakhs. And 3.72 was awarded for Kappa and 3.77 was awarded for Etta. No two students finished any project in the same number of days. The total cash reward for Alpha was the same as that for Delta. So cash reward for Alpha and Delta are same. So I have incorporated all this information in the table and I've taken out the decimals. Instead of 3.68 lakhs, I wrote it as 368,000. So it becomes easy for me to calculate. Now, what happens? Where do you start from? You have to start from this Kappa value and Itta value, because for every project, there will be first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. It is not guaranteed that every person will be getting all 5 positions. But it is confirmed that for every project, there will always be first prize, there will always be second, third, fourth, and fifth. Which means a project's cost is guaranteed 100, 80, 60, 40 and 20. This is guaranteed. So that's a total of 300,000. So 3 lakhs is guaranteed for a project as a cost. On top of that, you'll also pay if the students finish early. So out of this 372, 300 is coming because of the prize money of position. The remaining 72 is coming to you because of the days saved. So you can very easily calculate this days. So how do you calculate that? Look at this, 44 days you have taken to finish, which means 16 days saved. 33 days, which means 27 days saved. 43, which means 17 days saved, and 53 means 7 days saved. So how much money will you get because of the days saved? So 7 3 is 21 plus 6, 28, 2, 6, 4, 5, 6, 68. So 68,000 you should get paid, but you're getting paid 72,000, which means you're getting that extra 4k. 6, 7, 3 is 21 plus 6, 27. Sorry, 27. So you're getting that extra 5k. Extra 5k you're getting because of the days saved on this unknown number. So you're saving 5 days on this number, which means you should be finishing the project in 55 days. So that's how you get this logic. So the first one will be 55. Right? Similarly, apply the same logic for Etta. So if you apply the same logic for Etta, 300 out of this 377 should come because of the position price. The remaining 77k should come because of the days saved. So let's add the days saved. So first is 48 days, which means 12 days saved. 37 means 23 days saved. 39 means 21 days saved. And 42 means 18 days saved. So that's a total days saving of 8, 10, 13, 14, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 74. You're getting 77. So 3,000, the difference is coming because of the days saved on this unknown number, which means that number should be having 3 days saved. If 3 days are saved here, the number should be 57. So you get the two unknown numbers, 55 and 57. Let me neatly write it down. This is 55 and this is 57. Now let's look at the vertical columns. Now the problem with the vertical columns is you can't do the same analysis and say that 3 lakhs are saved here because of positions, because it is not given to us that every person will get all the 5 ranks. So it could be possible that Tej got 2 first ranks. It could be possible that Tej got 2 second ranks. It is possible like that. So that's the reason why you cannot take 300 here directly. So you have to be a bit, it becomes a little bit, on the, not complicated, but a little bit lengthy for you. So first let's understand what is known for us. If you look at Kappa, the first position is here. Then the second position is here. Third position is here. Fourth is here, and this is fifth. This is confirmed. Let's look at Eta. Eta, the first position is here, 37 days. Second position is here. Third position is here. Fourth is here, and fifth is here. Right? Now let's look at Tej. Tej, what happens? What could be this 32? The 32, already we know 40, 59 and 50 are above 32. So 32 is confirmed first or second. Definitely not third, fourth or fifth, because already 3 places are higher than 32. So this is either 1 or 2. Similarly, if you look at 52, we know that 36 is below 52, 51 is below 52, 45 is below 52. So 52 can be either 4 or 5. Now let's start calculating. 387, your 387 should be equal to confirmed 32 days. 32 days, so let me write down the days first. So all these are days. So 32 days you have taken means 28 days saved, plus 53 days you have taken means 7 days you have saved. 52 days you have taken means 8 days you have saved. 42 days you have taken, which means 18 days you have saved. These are the money you are earning because of the day saving. Plus I will write the ranks. In ranks, 4th rank is confirmed, which means 40k. Third rank is confirmed, so that's 60k. Now the problem is, what are the other 2 ranks? This I am still not even getting into. So plus something which is unknown. So this is the unknown. Okay, we'll deal with it later. Now it could be a combination of first rank plus 4th rank. So this is first and 4th, or it could be 1 plus 5 ranking, or it could be 2 plus 4 or 2 plus 5. These are the 4 possibilities. So let me take out the things which are confirmed. This is confirmed. So how much is it? 28, 7, 8, 18. So 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. So 3, 4, 5, 61,000. Is it? 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 7. 24 plus 7 is 31. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 61,000. So this is 61. So 387 is equal to 61. Plus this is also confirmed, 100. Plus now the problem is the others I don't know. So I will just subtract 161. This will be 6, 2 and 6, 6, 7, 8, 2 and this is 2. This will be 226. Now let's start looking at what is left out. So let me just erase this part. So now I will have left hand side as 226 is equal to, now let me take the cases. First case is 1 position plus 4 position. Second case is 1 plus 5 position. Third case is 2 plus 4. Fourth case is 2 plus 5. In this case, what is the total amount? First plus fourth. First is 100,000. Fourth is, I think, 40,000. So 140. In this case, 1 and 5, it is 120. In this case, second and fourth. So second is 80, fourth is 40. So again 120. And in this case, it is 2 and 5. 5 is 20, 2 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100. Which means in each of these cases, this is left hand side is 226, it is confirmed. So what is this unknown? This unknown is position plus days together, right? So position for plus days together for the unknown. So what is unknown value in the first case? 226 minus 140. So this is 60 plus 26, 86. In this case, this is going to be 106. In this case, it is going to be 106. And in this case, it is going to be 226 minus 100, which is 126. Now remember, 86 is supposed to be position plus days. So it can be 80 plus 6, because 80 means position 4 or position 2 plus 6 days you are saving. Or it could be 60 plus 26. It could be 40 plus 46. It could be 20 plus 66. But remember, 66 days you cannot save. So the third possibility will not exist. Let me take it out. Now look at the possibilities. 80 plus 6, is it possible? What is 80? 80 means second position, right? Second position. And 6 days you're saving. 6 days you're saving means you are taking how many days? 54 days. Can 54 days be second position in this beta? Obviously not, because there is a 35, there is a 31. So 54 days cannot be the second position. So 80 plus 6 is ruled out. You cannot have 80 plus 6. This is how you need to solve this, and that is the reason why I said it's a bit tricky. Now 60 plus 26, is it possible? 60 plus 26. 60 means third position. 26 days saved. 26 days saved means 34 days you are taking. So 34 days, can it be third position? Is it possible? No. We can see that 31 can be the first position. 34 will become the second position. It cannot be the third position. So this is also ruled out. 40 and 46, is it possible? 40,000, which means it is the fourth place. 46 days saved. 46 days saved is only 14 days worked, right? 14 days definitely will become first position. So you can't have 40 plus 46. So this is also ruled out. So this entirety is not possible at all. You can't have it. Okay. So let me take down what is not needed for me. I'll create more space for myself. Now let's bunch these two together because the value is 106. Value is 106. Let me calculate for 106. 106 can be in what ways? It can be 100 plus 6. It can be 80 plus 26. It can be 60 plus 46. And it can be 40 plus 66. But 66 days saving is not possible. Let me start with 100 plus 6. 100 means first position because I'm getting 100,000, 1 lakh. That means I'm first position. By saving 6 days, is it possible? 6 days saving means 54. Obviously in beta, 54 cannot be your first position. So 100 plus 6 is not possible. What about 80 plus 26? 80 means second position. 26 means you have been working for 34 days. So can 34 be second position? Yes, you can see 31 is the first position. 34 can be a possibility. So maybe possible, question mark. 60 and 46. 60 means it is the third position. 46 days you are saving means the time taken is only 14 days. Clearly 14 days cannot be your third position because 14 days is first position. So this is ruled out. So in this 106 only one possibility exists, but that cannot be confirmed because we still have 126 to check. 126 possibilities are 100 plus 26, 80 plus 46. That's it. Because if I take 60, then it will become 66. 60 plus 66 is not possible. Now, 100 plus 26. 100 means what? 100 means first position. 26. 26 means you have saved 34 days. 34, yes, it is possible. So, could be possible. This is possible. And 80 plus 46. Again, 46 days you're saving means you have worked only for 14 days. But that cannot be second position because 80 means it is second position. So this is not possible. So you have two possibilities, 80 plus 26 or 100 plus 26. Whatever it is, the days saved is confirmed in both. It is 26. Whatever it is 26, right? Which means this number should be 26 days saved. So that should be 34. So this number should be 34. That is confirmed. If that is 34, this should be 1. This should be 2. This should be 2. So now we can see if the position is 2, this 100 plus 26 is not possible. 100 plus 26 is not possible. So in fact, it is only one possibility, 80 plus 26. Because 100 plus 26 means you are saving 34, you are working for 34 days, giving you not first position but second position. But here it's a combination of 100 plus 26 that is ruled out. That I missed in 5 seconds back, I guess. So first, second position, this is the third position, this is the fourth position, and this is the fifth position. So now you are slowly starting to fill the table. Let's start looking at, okay, so your Tej is done. Now who else will be left? Let's start looking at it for Prayas. Now if you're looking at for Prayas, I'll do the same calculation now. I'll erase all of this. I'll have to create more space, obviously. So let me quickly erase all of this. All right. Oh, by the way, there's one more point that we still missed out. We could not figure out. We got the total as 106. But is it because of 4th position or 5th position? We still don't know. We don't know whether this is 1st position or 2nd position. Still, we don't know. So we just know that the 2nd position here is confirmed as 34. But we could not figure out whether this 52 ended up being, so because we saw the positions were 1 plus 4, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 2 plus 4 and 2 plus 5. And we saw that this was ruled out, this was ruled out, and both of them gave the total as 106. Both of them gave the total as 106. So we don't know still, is it 1 plus 5 position or is it 2 plus 4? We still don't know. So it is 1 plus 5 or 2 plus 4. So that's the possibility. So let me write that down. Okay, so I will erase this part. Right, so let's move on. Now we'll look at this the person called Prayas. Now what is happening to Prayas? What is confirmed? 368 is equal to, now first position is confirmed, that's 100, plus 3rd position is confirmed. 3rd position means it is 60, plus 4th position is confirmed, means it is 40. Plus the days are confirmed. Days means saved 1 day, 59 means 1 day, 54 means 6 days, 44 means 16 days, 37 means 23 days. So how many did I save? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 1, 6, 2, 3, 4. 46 days. So plus 46,000. So this is days. These are positions. Okay. So I got this. Now what do I do? Plus the unknown. This unknown is a combination of position plus days. So let me subtract. So this total is 200. And 246, so 368 minus 246. So this is 22, 122. So my 122 should be equal to the unknown. Now, what are the unknowns? So look at it. 59. 59, what position can it be? Can it be position number 5 or can it be position number 4? If 59 is position number 5, it means this has to be 60. That is the only way, if 59 is position number 4, then 60 should be there. That is the only way in which it can happen. Otherwise it will be position number 5. So can Shakti be position value 60? That is a question for you. Now to do that, we have one piece of information which we did not use. The total of alpha and delta are same. The totals of alpha and delta are same. Now if you notice, alpha and delta, the price money is always 300 and 300. So this you don't have to worry. The only thing which will now be equal to will be the number of days saved. So the days saved for alpha and delta should be same. So what is it? Days saved. Days saved for alpha. So days saved for alpha, if I just start writing it down, 20, because 40 means 20. 59 is 1. Then I will call this as A. I will call this as B. So A I don't know. Let's leave it out. So which is 60 minus A, right? Because A days I have worked, which means 60 minus A is there. Then I have 50 here, which means 10 days. Then 32 means 28 days. So what is the total here? Total here is 60, 70, 8, 9. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. 118 minus A. This is for alpha. Let's take a look at delta. What happens to delta? Delta is 45 days means 15 days saved. B days worked, which means 60 minus B days saved. 51 days is 9 days. 36 days is 24 days. 52 days is 8 days. So how much is this? So 24 plus 8, that is 32. 32 plus 9 is 41. 41 plus 10, 51, 56. 56 plus 60. 56 plus 60 is 116 minus B. But these two are same. 116, is it correct? Just let me check. By the way, this is 9. 119. Yes. Because 8 plus 1 is 9. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 119. And this is 116 minus B. Yeah, this is correct. So now these two are equal, which means 116 minus B should be equal to 119 minus A. Or you'll get A minus B equal to 3. So if this is B, your A should be B plus 3. Your A should be B plus 3. So your A is B plus 3. Now look at it. B minimum, because you need at least 1 day to finish the job. So B minimum is 1. So Shakti here will be minimum is 4. And what is the highest value for B? Highest value for B is 60. But if you look at this, this is B plus 3. B plus 3 cannot be 63. So in fact, start looking at this for the highest possibility. The highest possibility will be B plus 3. If it is 60, then B is 57. However, because if this is 60, then B will become 57. But there's a problem. What is the problem? We already got 57. No two people worked for same number of days. So 57 is not possible, which means B plus 3 will have to be less than 50, will have to be less than 60 itself. That confirms that 59 is position 5. That confirms 59 is position 5. So if 59 is position 5, then we will have, where was that? Yes. So you'll have to put the position. So we put only 3 positions if you notice. We did not put the position 5. So we have to put another 20 here because that 20 was actually missed. I should have put it earlier. So 20 plus unknown. So 102 equal to the unknown. So this now, the total should be equal to 102. What could be the possibility? So 102 could be a possibility of 100 plus 2. But again, 100 is first rank or the first position. 2 means 2 days saved, which means 58 days I'm working. 58 days working, I cannot become the first rank. Or it could be 80 plus 22. Is that possible? Or it could be 40 plus 44 and 60 plus 64. 20 plus 64, which is 80. Sorry, this is 60 plus 44, and then this will become 40 plus 64. Clearly, this is ruled out because 64 days cannot be saved. Now, let's look at 100 plus 2. We already saw this cannot be done. Between these two, 80 plus 22. 80 means second position. 22 means for 38 days. So can 38 be second position? Look at delta. So we are talking about B, the unknown here. So if B is 38, then it can definitely be second position because 36 will be 1. If 36 is 1, 38 will be 2. It is possible. So this is possible. What about 60 plus 44? 60 plus 44 means 60 is third position. 44 means you are working only for 44 days are saved, which means you are working for 16 days. Clearly 16 is position number 1. So this is not possible. So only one possibility exists. That means your B is 38. So B is 38. Which means your B plus 3 should be 41. 38 plus 3 should be 41. Okay. And that finishes your entire table. I think you got everything. Nothing else is pending. And that will also tell you this 52 is which position. So this is your position number 1, this is your position number 2, this is your position number 3, this is your position number 4, and therefore 52 will be position number 5. This is your position number 5. If 52 is your position number 5, we already saw what should it be mixed with. 5 is mixed with 2. In fact, you can see it from the first row. 32 will have to be the first position because everything else is higher than 32. So this will be the first position. Then your 40 will be second position, 41 will be third position, 50 will be fourth position, and the other one will be fifth position. So the entire table is done. Now the question is ready to be solved. So let's go ahead. How many days did Shakti take to complete Project Alpha? So Shakti took 41 days. This is 41. Right. So this is, the second question. What was the reward earned by Tej from Project Beta? So if you're looking at Project Beta, 80,000 is the amount of money he will get because he got the second position. 34 days he took, which means he saved 26 days. So 80 plus 26 is 106. So the answer here is 106. Third question, how many students earned a reward of at least 1 lakh for 2 projects? So you have to look at what is the amount of money earned by each student for each project and calculate, or rather look at the students who got at least 1 lakh in 2 projects. For example, if you look at this person, Tej got first rank here, which means he would have got 1 lakh and 32,000, 32 days, which means 28 days he saved. So plus 28. So 128 he would have got here. Then if you look at 34, which means he saved 26, and we already calculated the rank is 80. So 80 plus 26 is 106. So we will calculate, or we'll call Tej as one of our counting numbers, because first Alpha project he got 1 lakh and above, and Beta project he got 1 lakh and above. The moment you get 2 of them, that's okay, that's done. So Tej will be counted. Similarly, if you look at let's say Arnab will be look at this. Look at the first position is easy for you to calculate. First position is 80 and 31 days. 31 days he took, which means 29 days he saved. So 29. So this is clearly greater than 100. Then let's look at the second position. Second position means 80, 40 days he took. 40 days means 20 days saved. So exactly 20. So 100. So we got 200s. So Arnav will be counted. Look at Prayas. If you look at Prayas, again, go to the first position. That's the easiest one to mostly that's where you'll be getting a 1 lakh. So first position is here. So first position is 100. 37 days he worked, which means 23 days he saved. So that is done. Then look at the second position. In fact, you don't have to calculate anything more than this. First position itself is 100. So that's done. So second position, look at second position. So 38 and 20. So second position is 80. 38 days means 22 days saved. So 22. So 102. So Prayas will be counted. Similarly, Shakti, already 33 we don't have to calculate because first position 33 is 1 lakh and above. So that's taken care of. Let's go to the second position and see what happens to Shakti. 39 days is 21 days saved and second position means 80. So 101. So this is one counted, this is one counted. So Shakti will be counted. Right? So 4 of them we got as of now. What about Hunar? If you look at this is already 1 lakh or above. That's okay. Go to this. Second position 43, which means 17 days saved and 80,000. So it is only 97. So he did not get the second 1 lakh. Let's go to the third possibility. Can he get from here? Third position means 60,000. 35 days means 25 days saved. He'll get only 85. And you can see that in remaining others, you will not reach 1 lakh. So Hunar will not be counted. So 4 of them got minimum 1 lakh in 2 projects. And the one person, Hunar, did not get that. So this answer is option A. How many students earned? 4. The total reward earned from all the projects by which of the following students is equal to the average reward earned by all the 5 students for all the projects. So first, let's take a look at average reward earned by all the 5 students for all the 5 projects. So how do I do that? You simply have to fill up this table either horizontally or vertically and take the total. So if you can quickly take the total over there in the same manner that we discussed till now. So if you do the calculation, the addition, I'm not doing the addition right now, but if you do that, you'll get these values. You'll get 381 here, 368 is already there. You'll get 380 here, 379 here, 387 is already given. And the total here, horizontally or vertically also, if you calculate, you'll get the answer as 18.95 or 1895, 18,95,000. So the average of 1895 is 18.95 divided by 5, which is 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18, 39, 5 7s are 35, 5 9s are 45. So 3.79. Who got 3.79? Hunar got it. Right? 3.79 is Hunar. So the answer here is Hunar, option C. Right? So that's basically what you got. 41. And the second answer is 106 as we saw. Then the third answer is 4. And the fourth answer is Hunar. So this, I would rate this set as above moderate. It is not an easy set. It takes a bit of calculation. It takes a bit of thinking. Right? Let's move on to the next set.